Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we're going to talk about TiviMate error code 522. This error comes when users try to stream content using TiviMate, but the playback fails and the app displays this error. According to our research, this error may occur due to issues like VPN interference, corrupted cache files, or a problem with the content source. In some cases, the error might also come if the app or device needs an update, or if there is a temporary issue with the IPTV provider. The first thing we suggest is to disconnect any VPN you are using. So if you are using any VPN, then simply turn off the VPN on your device and then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, try clearing the cache for the TiviMate app and check if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, try switching to a different version of the stream. After switching, see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, try power cycling your device and your network. Simply turn off your streaming device and unplug your router. Then wait for a minute, then plug them back in and turn everything on. Then check if this resolves the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, check for any pending updates for the TiviMate app and check if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, contact your IPTV provider. There could be an issue on their end that they need to fix. So give this a try and see if this helps with the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.